makes its way through a tunnel where moments earlier 20 feet of snow stood.
Well, for many people, this storm defines Buffalo. 40 years ago, News 4 provided exhaustive coverage of one of the most devastating storms in the history of Western New York. And years later, so many stories coming out of this massive event that took over our area. We want to share with you a couple of interesting things. Our director, Dee, brought these fun little items in this morning. This is the Great Blizzard of 77 official mug. It has some of the records from January of 1977. I think Kaylee will find this interesting.
Yes, very interesting.
Meteorologist. And this is, of course, many of you have seen this before, the Blizzard of 77 official travel game. So it sort of talks about how to get around Western New York. Back in the day, there was a sunny side and a storm side on either side of the board game. So I posted some pictures of this on Twitter this morning, so I'll share those with you.
I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting.
I was at Wegmans yesterday, and they were also selling hoodies that had 40th anniversary Blizzard of 77 clothing. So that was pretty cool.
It's amazing. 40 years later, we all know the Blizzard of 77, brought our entire region to a stop. Most roads were impassable. We told you 29 people, lost their lives. So it was a deadly storm.
Yeah, and trying to come up with stories for this event. Everybody that I spoke to had a story to tell. Everyone who survived the deadly storm, everybody who just lived through it. And I spoke with one man who turned some of the most memorable stories into a book called White Death. And that book shares memories of many who were impacted by the Blizzard of 77. Now, it's only 430 pages long, but obviously it could be much longer with all the stories that Erno Rossi, the author, has to tell.
Well, it was a miserable winter, and it snowed every day in December and in January. It was cold, unbelievably cold the whole time. That lake froze over completely in early December.
That frozen lake turned out to be the biggest problem.
There was all this snow that was building up on the frozen lake, and up, and it was up to about 3 to 4 feet high out there.
That snow blew into Port Colborne and, of course, into Buffalo, and that's what started the week-long adventure of what we now know as the Blizzard of 77.
This is along the highway. It's blowing pretty good.
Because of the rarity of the event, Rossi felt he had no choice but to come to Buffalo and record what everyone shared with him. So he set up shop at the Red Cross downtown and listened.
And it's interesting because people, you couldn't shut them up once they got going. Usually it's hard, people won't be interviewed. But here, they want to phone you and tell you, and they want to write stuff, and that's excellent.
One story out of the hundreds he tells that stands out is of 2 children stuck in their home without anyone to take care of them.
The windows blew into the house, and the house was filling up with snow.
On top of the snow, dangerously cold temperatures flooded into the house. Luckily, advice from their mother over the phone saved their lives.
She told the kids to get into the kitchen and get blankets and get your sleeping bags and get this and seal off the kitchen. Keep the dog with you in the kitchen, and they did. And it's a good thing that it took 14 hours before anyone could get to them. It was so bad.
Wow, absolutely amazing, Kaylee. Coming up in our next hour of our coverage of the Blizzard of 77, we're going to tell you about some chaos that happened at the Buffalo Zoo. It's the story of 3 reindeer escaping their enclosure and what the zookeepers did to get them back. Don't miss the story. Again, that report is coming up right here at 7:30, and you can see, of course, all of our coverage of the Blizzard of 77, including newscasts showing our coverage from 40 years ago. Again, that's all up on our website, WIVB.com. Well, it is 6:46 now.